Definitely going to be a lot to look at today here. It's the Scone Airport. Yes. Hello, Ralph. Hello, this is the cool cat. Hi, Jen.
He's going to head up now to join up with the parachutists in the jump plane. That dangles down under it. There's a very large steel or lead weight. It's a big canister that sits under the bottom edge of the flag, and it helps it unfurl and stay in its proper position. Believe it or not, the other parachute that you've got up there is his PR photographer. So if you see a lot of white flashing going on up there, you'll know what it is. Many people ask, who actually packs the parachute? Well, in the military they have parachute riggers who do that job, but obviously with various skydiving schools they pack their own because that gives them the confidence that they need to leap out of a serviceable aeroplane. There in the wolf pits is pulling incredible G, and it's continuous G. Later on you'll see in his manoeuvring where he's doing short, sharp movements. So that's instantaneous G. But up there he is really straining with keeping position, keeping safe, knowing exactly what's going on. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we'd ask you to be upstanding, those of you who can, and remove your hats for the Australian National Anthem. You're right, ladies and gentlemen, the Sky Aces.
Target on my back, low survival line. They got me in the sights.
Obviously, Paul Bennett leading there in the Wolf Pits Pro. This is one of only 2 of these aircraft that have ever been manufactured. This was the first one built. Very, very highly modified aircraft, 400 horsepower engine, lots of carbon fibre, the tail's been modified.
Doug Hamilton.
Pulling up into a beautiful loop there. The Beech 18 first flew in January 1937, and believe it or not, it was a spec build. Beechcraft thought that there might be a position for a light transport for the US military. So they designed the Beech 18, utilising 2 450 horsepower engines, Pratt & Whitney's, called the R985. R for radial, so the cylinders are arranged radially around the crankcase. 985 for the number of cubic inches. The BC-1 Basic Combat Trainer Model 1. When it first came out, it looked a lot different to what you see there now. The fuselage. Was the advanced trainer for the USAF, and also what was known as the Empire Air Training Scheme. In 1930, which was the squadron that von Richthofen had, was warning their pilots that if they came close to one of these aircraft in an attack and actually saw the markings and could identify it as Australian, to let it go, because they were very, very aggressive.